I have here the Adagio Professional Blowout Brush. This is a really amazing tool to give yourself this nice, beautiful, bouncy blow dry at home, super easy. I have a couple of tips if you do want to use this product or if you want to sell it to your clients. The first one would be that there are 3 separate functions on it. We have the high heat and air, the low heat and air, and just the air itself. And if you're looking to create that really true like bouncy blow dry, the best way you're gonna wanna do that is first by rough drying your hair really well, probably about 80% dry. That's just gonna help save your arms for one, but as well keep from any really hot spots or over drying happening when you're using this brush. The blowout brush is really great for creating that wave and style, whereas the dryer here that I have is great for removing all that water from the hair. When you're doing your own blow dry using this brush, something that is really important to remember is to keep it moving. You always want to keep the brush moving so you don't end up with any hot spots or any chance of burning or overheating the hair. What you can do is use the air function. So what that's gonna do is gonna blow air, but not any heat. So that's great when you're blow drying the back of your head, so you can keep going and keep turning without that risk of hot air on your scalp or hot air on the back of your neck. So this Adagio brush is a great tool for using in the salon and using at home. It really makes your life a lot easier, really easy on the arms and back, and creates the big, beautiful, bouncy blow dry that we're all looking for.